Morning traders, Nick Massandre, Market T. to bring our daily market bias video for Monday, September 17th. It's approximately 4:45 a.m. or quarter to 5 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the downside with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which traded up somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this current ongoing Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside with the exception of the German DAX, which is trading down at this particular time. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. US dollar is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Crude is trading higher. There is correlation between US dollar and crude as is broadcast. Bonds are trading lower, although fractionally at this particular time. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average pointing to a lower open, although again fractionally at this particular time. This was a bit higher earlier in the AM, and now it's starting to switch. Now it's starting to change. Now it's starting to revert back into positive territory. So it seems to be flip-flopping at this particular point. Gold is trading higher at this particular hour. Now, in terms of economic news, we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets. Oh, hang on a second. We have Empire State Manufacturing Index. That's out at 8:30. There isn't anything else. So we've got a bit of a lack of economic news, if you will. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting this is the instruments themselves don't seem to have very much in the way of direction. The U.S. dollar is trading lower, and in theory, the indices should be pointing higher. That's not really happening right now. The bonds are trading lower. Again, with that type of situation, the indices themselves should be pointing higher, but it's not. It seems to be flip-flopping between positive and negative territory without much of any kind of sense of direction. Hence, a bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. Something to be mindful of in trading. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.